Hey, welcome to Wall Art by Gene. Here's a little project that we've been working on. This is a pickup from where my father had left off. So it is a spice holder. Or if you're into arts and crafts, it also makes good for your paints. You can put brushes and stuff down here or other type paints. This is a nice piece for the kitchen. Bring it a little closer here. Hopefully it auto focuses for it. Get you some dimensions here. So I know that's important on the kitchen counter space. It is 25 long. And 8 1/4 tall. So it should fit pretty much anywhere in your kitchen. Here's one that still needs to be finished and it's got to be cleaned up. It's more of a cabinet style. And again, this is good for spices or paints. If you are into arts and craft, maybe your bobbins and spools, that kind of stuff. The dimensions on it is, we'll call it 24. It's 23 3/4. See, you can turn it that way. 23 3/4 by 15 5/8. So, a couple new items. If you want one, reach out. Let me know. As the price of wood changes, I will change the pricing accordingly. But this is generally pine, has a veneer background. So, let me know what your thoughts are.